Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's actually here! No way! Okay, waterfall adventure. Careful. Wow, I'm climbing.
Waterfall. Let me just go and catch up.
I know. This is absolutely stunning. Amazing view. Might try and see if I can take the drone out here as well. Oh well, that's the end of an era. The drone, I think it must have been the wind, but the wind got a hold of the drone. It went back into the trees, hit the trees, and it's probably down at the bottom of the waterfall right now. So we'll see if we can have a look and find it, but it's not looking good. It's been fun. Beautiful cave. Cliffs though, isn't it?
Is this the way to the big waterfall?
Let's go.
Wow, I knew it. It's the way first, Dad, look! Right, coming down, isn't it? It is raining.
Wow.
Did it rain? Dad, stay where we go.
So we're down the bottom of the waterfall, and if there's any chance of me finding the drone, then this is it. As you can see, it goes up a fair way, and that's around where we were. So that's around where we'll have to go. It's a little bit slippery here, but hopefully not too bad. Oh, it's actually quite slippery. Oh. Okay. Whew. Too easy. Ow! My shoes do not have enough grip on them for this. Let's keep going. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's actually here! No way! Oh my god! There it is. I can't believe it's here. I'm so happy. These have spikes on them. Look at that. I've got to get my drone. Ow. Oh, the battery. The battery's gone. We might have found the battery. JB might have found the battery, which is good news. This is like an obstacle course of death. Okay, I can do this. I see what's happened. The top's come off it. Oh god. Okay. Oh, so spiky. Oh. Look at this battery. Oh my gosh, look at that. I wonder what happened. It must have come all the way out and then dropped. Yeah. Yeah. Got the lid. Now to get out of this death trap. Ow!
It hit the wall.
Got it. Gently. One more stop on our way. Surfers paradise out there. Alright kids, have we had our fill of adventures?
Yeah.
Time for us to go.
And all I have to say is happy birthday to Granddad.
Aww.